Dahil, naku, ang mga aso nakapasok dito pa talaga kayo
Remember also our brothers and sisters.
Be aware what you're going through, what your children's going through.
Hindi dahil sa ang sasabihin natin na matuwid ka na.
It's better, bolder story that we find in David because King David stands in front.
I love your church hat.
dirty shoes, don't look wet. Say it.